So this is the home at 12390 Rock Ridge Lane. Obviously got a lot going on today. They're redoing the roof. Here's the side of the house. See your storm shutter bolts on the side. Looks like that's something to do with the internet and cable. Obviously it's disconnected right there, but they're working on the roof, so that's pretty normal. I'm liable to end up with a roofing nail in my foot, but we'll find out. This is going to be your air conditioning system. It looks like you have upstairs and a downstairs. One of them has a little bit of patina on it, so I'm guessing that's going to be a little bit older. The other one looks relatively new. This is going to be your pool equipment. There's your pool heater, pump, filter. Couple banana trees, and actually one that's got a few bananas on it. So I don't have a survey, but I'm guessing that flag right there is about where the center is for the two lots. It's got a nice hedge around everything for privacy. Of course, 3-car garage. This is kind of the formal dining area most of the time. You do have a chandelier or a lamp there. Nicely appointed kitchen. Looks like it's a quartz countertop. You have a nice area for the kitchen table and some bar stools here as well. This is your family room, which is kind of doubling as an office at the moment. And they do have a neat little accent wall here. Outdoor area is nice because you do have a tremendous amount of area that's under cover. And then of course you have a nice area here that's not under cover if you wanted more sun. Looks like they have a little bit of a sunshade there as well. Little bar area. Very large pool. I'm not sure if the video is doing it justice, but this is much larger than your normal size. Maybe 50% larger would be my guesstimate. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Going to be the owner's suite. Dual vanity sink. Nice tray ceilings. Very spacious walk-in closet. I guess bedroom has a nice size walk-in closet as well. Dual vanities and a shower in this one. This is probably the air conditioning system. No? Oh, yes it is actually. And that one looks like it was replaced 2020, which I'm guessing was the larger of the two units. The guest bath downstairs. Oh, this is the kiddie room, obviously. Hey guys. All right, I'll lead you guys in here. I don't know if you're allowed out. There we go. A lot of stuff in here, but this is a 3-car garage. Those are the storm shutters right over there. Nice sized water heater. And you do have a sink here in the garage as well. Extra storage. This is the other air conditioning system. This is a Lennox. This one looks like it's in pretty good condition as well. All the appliances look relatively new.